What do you think?
I think it's pretty good.
Damn right, man. Look at that. That's even better than... That's like amazing. Okay.
We're
We'll
good
take it.
with that one.
Yeah. Yeah, you nailed it.
So if my mom needs me to parallel park her car, I should be good.
Oh yeah, oh yeah. Let's make a right turn down McAllister here.
There's no stop sign.
Let's do a 3-point turn. I'm gonna pull over safely to the right side of the road first. It's okay to block the driveway for the 3-point turn, that's fine. And then from here, 3-point turn.
Yeah, so this one, I just I don't know, I get really confused for some reason.
Okay.
I bring my wheel all the way to the left.
Yep.
That's what I thought.
And hang on. Okay, I'm gonna walk you through it.
Yeah, I
Okay.
need to walk through.
Okay, no problem. So the first step is to pull over and stop at the side of the road. So you signal, mirror, right blind spot, check, pull over, you stop, keep it in drive.
Okay.
And then signal left. Turn your wheel all the way to the left before you move the car. And then before you move the car, check the mirror, the left blind spot, and if everything's clear, you drive to the other side of the road. You'll feel your steer tires, the left one, drop into the gravel.
Oh, like completely go in?
Yeah. You'll feel it.
Snowbanks.
You'll feel it. If there's snowbanks, then yeah, you stop. There we go. That's good. You're on the gravel there. That's fine. You're just using as much space available to you.
Okay.
And then at this point, you into reverse, and you turn your wheels sharply all the way to the right, and you signal right too. And then in the past, we never had these monitors. We didn't know what was back there, so you got to check around. Yeah.
And then I just go.
Yeah, a little shot of gas just to get the car rolling, and then back on the brake. And that's good enough. All you needed. That's good. That's all you needed, just to back up a little bit, because now when you turn your wheels all the way to the left, you won't roll like onto the grass or anything. This is fine. So, yeah, into drive. Yeah, and you signal left too. And you just drive off.